Hi, this message is for anybody in the reading, evaluation, and diagnosis class. It's important that I talk to you a little bit about the structure of this class. In the past, it has always been a class that met 2 days a week, typically on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we met in person on Tuesdays and online on Thursdays. I just recently learned, though, that your schedule indicates that this is a Tuesday only class. But you'll notice on our meeting time, we're only meeting for like an hour and 15 minutes on Tuesdays, but it's still a 3 hour class. So I need you to understand that there is an online component to this course. So each week, the plan would be that we would meet on Tuesdays, but then there is also going to be an online portion that you have to complete in order for us to get through all the information for this class. One other thing, though, is that this semester is a little bit different in that I have to travel a good bit. And unfortunately, several of those trips are going to be when I have to be gone over a Tuesday. So some weeks we will actually be meeting only online, and then other weeks we will be meeting in person, and you will still have your online component. So I'm finishing up the syllabus now, and it's going to be really important that you look closely at that so that you can see which weeks we're meeting in person and which weeks we're not. In light of that, next week, the first week of class, we are not going to be meeting in person. I'm going to be gone. And so you will just be completing online assignments next week, which you can look for from me at some point, probably over the weekend. And so let me reiterate. No, do not come to campus on Tuesday, the first week of class, for reading, evaluation, and diagnosis because I will not be there. All right? Because of the way the semester is set up, it's really important that you have your announcements feature set up in Canvas for our class, meaning that whenever I send out an announcement, maybe you get an email about it, or know that you need to check the announcements for the class regularly because that is the way that I'm going to communicate information to us all semester. I'm probably not going to send out bulk emails, and I think I'm just going to use the announcement feature in Canvas. So please make sure that you'll be watching for that because that's where all the important information is going to come from. Okay? You'll have my cell phone, you'll have my email. I'll be watching for those constantly throughout the semester so that you know that I will respond to you quickly if you have any questions whatsoever. But I wanted to make sure that everybody understood what was going on the first week. Okay? So I'll be sending you something soon for your assignments for next week, and I will see you in person sometime. Thanks.